guys, I have about 2 pounds of center cut thinly sliced pork chops here that's been seasoned. It's been seasoned with, let me see what I have in here. Spicy jerk marinade. I have sage, onion powder, garlic powder, ground allspice, smoked paprika, and a mix of my dry herb, which again is rosemary, dry thyme, oregano, and parsley. I don't know if I'm missing anything. Then black pepper, a pinch of salt, a little bit of hoisin sauce, and a little bit of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. Also a little bit of Sazon. This is what the pork chop is seasoned with. Now my oven is preheated to 350. I'm gonna put that in the oven, and I'm gonna make a little coconut rice to go with this. Okay, so we're gonna make a little plum sauce for our pork chops. So in here I have about a tablespoon of butter. We add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. This is the plum sauce I'll be using. Okay, here's our plum sauce. About a third cup. This is still a little bit tangy, so I'm going to add some honey. A little bit of white wine vinegar. So I added a pinch of organic ground ginger. I added a pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, because the jerk marinade on the pork chop is spicy, I didn't add any heat to this. So if you're just baking your pork chops, you can add some red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper to this for some heat if you want it. My pork chops I've cooked for 45 minutes in the oven on 350 uncovered. I flip it halfway through. I'm going to take it out and put the sauce on it and then put it back in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to get my pork chops out of the oven. Actually, this is done like this. I'm just choosing to put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes to get the glaze to penetrate the pork chops.